It was a wonderful morning, and we lived in this beautiful big bungalow. So all the children from neighboring houses would come to my house to play in the garden. Now, being a family of animal lovers and who treat pets as part of the family, my home had 4 dogs. I'm not talking about my children. I'm really talking about the dogs. And there was one of them who was more of the angry and a little bit of a violent type than the rest of them. So he would bite strangers. Now, all the children who came home always knocked. They found out if he was let loose and then came into the gate. But on this fortunate or unfortunate morning, which you will decide for yourself, into the gate walked this little boy called Sudarshan, a lovely little kid, just about 7 years old. Sudarshan walked into the gate, and there goes Dozo straight into this little child and bites him on his stomach. Now the kid was screaming. I ran out into the compound. I screamed at Dozo. I literally separated both of them. And the moment I came, the dog let him go. So I pushed him out of the gate and I said, run to mommy. And I was doing something else. So I caught this dog. I had to take him and tie him up. So Sudarshan ran up to his mom, and his mother had to take him to the hospital to get him injected because he had a dog bite on his stomach. It so happened that Sudarshan left to Tiruvannamalai after that, and we didn't see him for 1 week. About 10 days later, Sudarshan came back again and knocked on the gate. So we opened the gate for him, and he came inside the house and he said, Auntie, I want to see where is Dozo. That is the dog who bit him. I said, why would you want to see? He said, no, Auntie, I want to see him. So I took this little boy to the backyard to show him Dozo. And he looked at Dozo and he folded his hands to this dog which had bitten him. And he said, Dozo, I really love you. Thank you very much. You saved my life. I was a bit surprised. So, and he ran away to his house. So I phoned his mother. She's she's also one of the top singers. You would know a lady called Malgudi Shubha. She's an indie pop singer. Lopita must be knowing her for sure. So I phoned her up and I said, Shubha, what is wrong with Sudarshan? Why did he call me up? He came, he saw the dog, he folded his hands to the dog and he said, thank you, Dozo, you saved my life. She said, Devika, truly your dog has saved the life of my son. I said, please don't talk in riddles. Tell me what happened. And Shubha tells me, Devika, the next day of Dozo biting Sudarshan, we were supposed to go on a family holiday to Kerala, to Munnar, up in the hills. And because this boy was bitten by the dog, we couldn't go because he had to take an injection every 3rd day. So we cancelled the program and my sister and her family went only by themselves. And up in the mountains, as the vehicle was climbing up the mountains, a truck in front of us put a brake and we had to jam our brakes. And there was a vehicle behind us which came crashing into the car that we were sitting in, and our car was sandwiched between 2 trucks. The vehicle at the back actually got onto our vehicle and jammed it. She says, if Sudarshan and we were in that car, the 2 kids sitting at the back seat would have been crushed to death. And therefore, my friends, my story ends today with the thought that anything that happens to us at the spur of the moment, we may think that this is the most horrible thing that could have happened. the dog is bad, God is bad, our time is bad. No, it's a good time that the dog bit the child. And that small bite only needed 5 injections, but it saved that child. And today we have that child with us. So when anything happens to us in life, at that moment, we may take 3 steps back, but those 3 steps back will help us to go 30 steps forward. And I leave you with that thought, and there ends my story. Thank you very much.
Beautiful, beautiful, very nice.
Outstanding.
Very nice.
So nice.
Very
And this
nice.
is a true story, exactly to the word I have told it to you. This boy Sudarshan is a very close friend of Dheeraj. He's little younger than Dheeraj, and they all grew up together.
My God.
Yeah.
Very nice.
जो वो कहते हैं ना कि ईश्वर जो करता है अच्छे के लिए करता है, तो वही इसका थीम भी यही है कि जो ईश्वर करता है वो अच्छे के लिए करता है.
Definitely. Actually,
Yes.
I think Lopita ma'am, you must be aware, obviously, Devika ma'am is a corporate trainer also. तो
जी.
हमारे को जो सेशंस लिया करते थे, स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशंस इन IITD, शी यूज्ड टू टेक आवर सेशंस स्टोरी टेलिंग. और जो इनकी स्टोरीज होती थी, मतलब एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू बी स्पेल बाउंड. द वे शी यूज्ड टू नरेट दी स्टोरीज, everybody would just look at her. She would enact. Now actually we are in Zoom meeting, so otherwise she would enact everything. She would be standing, she would be watching her actions also, and everybody used to be spellbound. Usha ma'am
I
is
can
also-
imagine.
Yes,
Usha ma'am?
I was going to tell the same. Whenever I remember Devika ma'am's class, I don't remember anything else. Only mainly that storytelling sessions. That you various emotions on the same day. Ma'am had given us 4 stories. I still remember that. Still I am getting goosebumps on remembering that particular day. I adore you
Interesting.
mainly for your storytelling. That the special skill in you. And
Thank you.
today's story is also really cherishable with it is really such a cute story but with a big message.
Thank you.
Absolutely. See, Devika, when we get together for our reunions also, she's a full entertainment package, okay?
Yes.
She will sit and we just watch her with action, the storytelling. She does mimicry, she does everything. So she is very talented. उसमें कुछ कहने की बात नहीं है. And बाकी तो, if you try to find out what she does in her day-to-day life, you will go crazy. पेंटिंग से लेकर कुकिंग, शी स्टार्टेड अ फूड ब्लॉगिंग on YouTube. I said, where does she get the time to do all this? Then she goes for treks, she goes for walks every day, and she will send the videos of morning sunrise from Chennai beach, and then she will go parasailing, paragliding at this age, and I can't even jump one moat, I'm so scared. So my husband sometimes say that उसको देख के कुछ सीखो, वो तो पायलट भी है, ट्रेंड पायलट भी है, वो तो डरती नहीं, तुम तो साइकिल भी नहीं चला पाए आज तक. मैं बोली मैं एक ही चीज चलाती हूँ, ये गला, और कुछ नहीं आता है, और ये मुंह चलता है, बाकी और कुछ नहीं चलता है मेरा. एवरीबडी लाइक विमल जी ने बताया ना, सबका एक यूनिक पोटेंशियल होता है. We must always cherish ourselves. We all have a hidden potential and we don't identify it. हमारे जो लाइफ का एक चलता जाता है, चल रहा है, जिंदगी चल रही है एक हम ड्रम में. हाँ, हम लोग जो माँ बाप से सीखते हैं कि पढ़ाई करो, करियर करो, हम उसी में लगे रहते हैं. We never actually contemplate, sit and even think that मेरे में और क्या चीज मैं कर सकती हूँ. And believe you me, I'm a Buddhist practitioner for the last 15 years. I'm into meditation and chanting of Buddhist mantras. And my mentor is in Japan. And by doing this practice, what I have learned from my mentor is you can actually expand your life. When you say expand your life, it means you can bring various dimensions to your life. Today, I may be a good singer. I was just a singer. Today, जो मेरा personality development हुआ है in every sphere. Like I can talk, I can teach, I can write. I have started writing also. I have started composing also. I have started doing lot of things which I have never thought that I would have been able to do. And I have been doing social work. I have been doing organizing events in Bombay. I do multiple things. So it is just a block in the mind that मेरे से ये होगा नहीं. That's a block. And वो मैं देविका से इंस्पायर होती हूँ हर बार जब वो बोलती है, उस दिन मुझे फोन पे बोला, you have not learned driving yet. मैंने कहा that is something, still it is a block in my mind. I'm really praying hard to understand how do I unlock those fears from my mind कि मैं ड्राइव कर सकती हूँ. You know, I have a fear somewhere in the subconscious, and this is related to our previous birth also. हम जो fears लेके आते हैं ना, जो consciousness लेके आते हैं, that is a baggage which comes from our previous life. So ये कर्मा का थ्योरी तो बहुत लंबा है, अगर उस पे बोलूंगी तो आधा घंटा हो जाएगा. लेकिन we all are what we are because of a set of karmas and karmic retributions that we have carried forward from our previous lives. So we are what it is. So हम लोग उसको अगर बदलना चाहेंगे तो we are the script writers. We are the script writers of our own story, our lives. So we are the directors, we are the producers. So we can always change it. ये जो हम कह रहे थे डेस्टिनी है, गॉड कर देगा, कोई नहीं करेगा. You can change your life and nobody can. वो देविका हमेशा मुझे बोलती है, and I really admire her for that. And I have taken a lot of inspiration from her. I'm changing myself. I'm trying to change myself very much.
अरे वाह.
Love you, Lippy.
Thank you, Lokita ma'am. It was such a pleasure. आज तो मतलब it was evening to remember. विमल जी, मेरे ख्याल से
Absolutely.
मजा आ गया आज तो. अरे लोपिता जी को वीडियो चला
बहुत
गया.
अच्छा लगा.
देविका मैडम के लिए कहना चाहूंगा, देविका मैडम, योर स्टोरी वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग एंड इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड इट वाज सो, आई वाज सो ग्लैड टू हियर दैट यू आर सो मल्टी डायमेंशनल पर्सनालिटी. All the good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.